In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts on Xero. If you want to keep your expense records organized and make bookkeeping easier, attaching receipts directly to a spend money transaction in Xero is a great habit to build. It helps you keep everything in one place, makes future reviews much faster and gives you better documentation for your records. To get started, open Xero and log into your account. Once you are on the Xero dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the plus sign, labeled Create New. This is where you can quickly add different types of transactions. Click that icon. And from the drop-down menu, select Spend Money. This opens a new expense entry, where you can record a payment that has already been made. Next, choose the bank account the payment came from. This step is important because it links the transaction to the correct account in your books and helps keep your bank records accurate. Now enter the main transaction details. Start with the recipient, which is the person or business that was paid. Then add the date of the transaction so Xero records the expense in the right period. After that, if needed, enter a reference, such as an invoice number or another note that helps you identify the payment later. Once that section is complete, move down to the item list. Here, enter the item name, followed by a description if you want to provide more detail about what the expense was for. Then add the quantity and the unit price. After that, choose the correct expense account or category, so the transaction is classified properly in your reports. Finally, make sure the tax rate is correct, since this affects how the expense is recorded for tax purposes. When the expense details are filled in, go to the top right corner of the entry page and click the Add File icon. It looks like a paper sheet with a folded corner. From there, select Upload a File, then choose your receipt image from your device. Xero supports common file formats like PNG, PDF, and JPEG, so most digital receipts should upload without any issue, after the file is attached. Click Save. This records the expense and stores the receipt together with the transaction, making it easy to find everything later in one place. That's all it takes to add receipts on Xero. Thanks for watching.